A big initiative for CBI is the DCA and HEAT workshops held each year to bring together industry experts from CBI membership to discuss key issues related to automotive lead batteries. This year we will be holding the meeting during the week of the 11th of July in Bergamo, Italy, co-organized with Europe's standards organization CENELEC. These interactive meetings feature battery companies, car companies, industry suppliers and researchers to foster discussion about enhancing the performance of advanced lead batteries to respond to changing technical requirements and market demand. This year's workshop will address topics such as methods to measure and enhance dynamic charge acceptance of lead batteries, developing appropriate standards for 12-volt lead battery high-temperature durability operation, and the role of lead batteries in electric vehicles and the evolving requirements for this application. We are excited to bring together automotive experts from across the lead battery and car industry for the first time in person since 2019.